Now let's begin with the revision of polymer. Poly means many, mer means unit. When very small units combine together to form a big molecule, that is known by the name of polymer, and the process is called polymerization. I will take one example of polymerization. The N molecules of ethene, they combine together to form a polythene. N means in large number. Ethene contains double bond. The double bond will be broken and it will be converted in the form of single bond. The second example is the reaction of hexamethylene diamine with adipic acid to form nylon 6,6. Just only if you know the formula of adipic acid, you can yourself make the whole reaction and you can write all the formulas. Hexamethylene diamine means, hexa means 6. There are 6 methylene with that of a 2 amino group. The amino group are the NH2 group. If the reaction takes place with adipic acid, this is CH2 4 COOH and that of a COOH. There will be elimination of water molecule and there will remain nylon 6,6, that is CH2 6 NH CO CH2 whole 4 CO, and it will be the repeating unit. It is known by the name of nylon 6,6 because hexamethylene diamine contains 6 carbon and adipic acid also contains 6 carbons to add. Now there is a classification of polymers. First is based on the sources. First are the natural polymers to add. Jute, silk, starch, protein, these are natural polymers. Then there are semi-synthetic polymers. The semi-synthetic polymers are those for which the raw material is available in nature and that is prepared synthetically. Rayon is an example. Cellulose nitrate is an example. The dress which nurses wear, that is made up of rayon, that is made up of semi-synthetic polymer. Then there are synthetic polymers. First one nylon 6,6, then there is a Buna S. The second classification is based on the structure of polymer. These are of 3 types: linear, high density polymer, polyvinyl chloride. You all know about the polyvinyl chloride. You have seen it. It is a rubber which is on the wires which are used at home. Then there are branch chain. Example is vulcanized. There is a branching. Then there are cross-link. There is a cross-linking and these chains are like this. They are straight and they are parallel like this.